And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff. And straight after that, we've got Poppy. If you haven't seen Poppy's channel, go and check him out too. He's good for a chat. He's fun. And he makes cool stuff.
Hey gang, welcome back. If you came in to watch this video because you saw the title, number 2 in my advice to new YouTube creators, welcome back. I hope it's because in the last one you heard something that might be useful. Then again, if you heard something that made you laugh and you came back for that, that's fine too. I will try to walk both sides of that line and make it relevant. Okay, since you're back, this is an important topic. If you want to, let me zooming in here a little bit. Okay, if you want to get along on YouTube, I mean, have other creators talk to you, communicate with you, not ignore you, you need to know some things. First of all, never ever say anything bad about another YouTuber, not to them or about them. And this, I won't name the name. He or she will never know. Wrong. YouTube creators aren't stupid for the most part. And they can figure out that you're talking about them, even if you don't say their name. You talk about the other underwater basket weavers on YouTube, and you say, I'm not going to mention their name. No. Underwater basket weaving is a very small niche. And so, of the 3 people posting there, the other 2, they're going to know you're talking about this one. The one you're talking about is going to know. It's bad enough you're saying bad things about them. But you get mealy-mouthed and want to be secretive. That tiny little bit of respect, if you were right, goodbye. If you have to say something bad, don't. But if you do, name names. Yeah, well, think about it. Maybe you're not an underwater basket weaver. Maybe you're in a slightly larger niche. Maybe there's a couple hundred people posting that niche. Right? You talk bad about them. It gets around you. Now, there's another thing. The sponsors. Don't say anything bad about a YouTube creator's sponsors. That pisses them off. Then they start telling the YouTuber, don't talk to that person. They're saying bad things about me. Yeah. Right? Don't say bad things. Don't try and be anonymous about saying the bad things, because that don't work. Then the other side of the coin. Be very careful about saying good things to or about other YouTube creators. I personally can attest to the validity of this. I have more creators put an ignore on my chat, my comments, if I say good things about them. Yeah. Some YouTube creators you just can't compliment. Either they think you're being snarky and they hate you instantly. One or two, a small amount, are bashful. Don't want you to bring attention to how great they are. One, maybe two. My example, following my own rules, I said very good thing about the work of another YouTube creator, Quinn Dunkey. She had finished a steam engine kit build. The castings were rough in both or all three senses of the word rough casting. Surface rough, dimensionally rough, just plain rough. And the drawings she was working from, I said they were the shits. They were. I said she'd done magnificently. Radio silence. I think I pissed off the company that make the kit. Those castings. So even if it's good about the person doing that work, the person who provided the kit, anything negative, and radio silence, you don't exist to them. Yeah. Uh-huh. Now, I'm sorry, I told Quinn that she did a good job. I don't know who PM Research is. I'll be straight up and honest about it. I think their castings are shit. Their drawings are garbage. So if you manage to get anything in one of their kits actually working, you're done real good. Yeah. So be careful what you say to and about other YouTubers. Don't say anything bad, and be really careful about praising them, because it don't work. Suggestions. I'm trying to record. Suggestions. Oh, well, I can give Joe Mazursky a suggestion on how to do his underwater basket weaving better. No.
I don't know how long that rooster they have across the street will live, but you know.
I'm not going to edit you out. Now, where was I? Anyway, be careful. Oh, suggestions. Suggestions. They don't want to hear your suggestion. If a YouTuber wants suggestions, he or she will say, I don't know what's going wrong here. Anyone got a suggestion? Then. Only then. Gratuitously supplied suggestions aren't looked on very favorably. And until you get really, really good, don't try the sneaky, I once saw you. No. So, Be careful what you say, both positive and negative. Because the YouTube community, for the most part, can make or break a new creator. If you're asking how I can speak on the topic of new creators, I've got 54 damn subscribers. I lost one a couple of days ago. Yeah. I've been posting here like 2 and fraction years. I mean, longevity, that's a long time. People get tired and stop posting, like, they just disappear. But there are people who have been here 20 years. And there are people with thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of subscribers. Well, this wasn't for them. They already got there, and it's too late to have any of them change any of the things they do. But you, less than 54 subscribers, less than 2 years posting, you'll want to be successful, maybe have a friend or two on the tube. Be careful what you say. Good night from California.